Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2019 Toyota Hilux dual cab and I'm going to show you where each of the information labels are in the car. So on these labels you'd expect to find tyre information, colour code, trim type and more importantly your VIN number. So the VIN number is used to order in parts to make sure you're ordering it for the correct vehicle. But I'm just going to first off show you over the driver's side. Just here in the door jamb, we've got this label here, which is actually our tyre information. So make sure you check what rim size you've actually got on the car before you go ahead and set your pressures. Next, we'll actually come down. Now, this is a modified vehicle, modified from factory for mining use. So it actually has a modification plate. Your one may not have that. Secondly, we're going to go into the engine bay, and we do that by pulling this lever here. Coming round to the front of the vehicle. Then just above the Toyota badge there's a lever. Just going to go ahead and pull that to the left and then lift up the bonnet. Do be careful, this is quite a heavy bonnet. We're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, we're just going to go over to the right hand side of the bonnet when you're looking from the front, and we're just going to look inside the wing here and you'll see this plate. So this plate actually gives our model number, engine type, frame number, which is actually your VIN number, colour code, trim type, and then we've also got the build date, some other information there as well. So really handy label to have a look at. Next we'll come to the passenger side, open up the door fully and just look here. This is what we call our compliance sticker. So we've got our build date there, we've got towing capacity there at 3 tons and we've got our VIN number. But lastly, our VIN number is actually stamped onto the chassis of the car, so I'll show you that right now. So we're just going to go all the way back to the driver's side of the vehicle, to the rear wheel, and then we're just going to look past the rear wheel on the frame there, and that's actually where our VIN number is stamped right across there. So there we go. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.